Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Agriculture. Today we are gonna explore the fascinating process of extracting pineapple juice from pineapple fruits in the factory and witness how pineapple chunks are prepared for the market. Pineapple juice, believed a tropical delights, hold a significant place among the global fruit juices. Let's dive into the journey of pineapple cultivation and processing. Pineapple juice journey start with pineapple harvesting. So first, worker assesses the size of pineapple fruit on the plant to determine their ripeness. The vibrant golden color and sweet aroma indicate the pineapple's ripeness for harvest. Pineapple plants reaching heights to 1 to 1.5 meters begin bearing fruits approximately 16 to 18 months after planting. A single pineapple plant yields after 1-2 fruits per year. Harvested pineapples are carefully collected by workers, placed in baskets, and transported by tractors to processing facilities. It's interesting to note that Costa Rica stands out as the largest global producers of pineapples, contributing significantly to the world's pineapple market. Now let's explore how pineapple juice is crafted from this delicious fruit in the factory. Pineapple transported boxes of pineapples to the washing plant line. The pineapples are washed thoroughly and a sorting machine removes any damage of the unripe fruits. Workers then skillfully remove the tough outer skin and the core of the pineapple, leaving only the flesh. The pineapple chunk go through a juicing process where the juice is extracted and collected. The juice undergoes rigorous testing in the factory lab for quality, taste, and purity. Some factories may enrich the juice with essential nutrients like vitamin C. Once the juice passes quality control, it's time to packing. Glass bottles, tropically chosen for their durability, are arranged by filling. The bottles are cleaned with water, filled with pineapple juice using an automatic filling machine, and sealed with caps to prevent spoilage. The filled bottle undergo a leaving process to ensure uniformity. The bottled pineapple juice are then packed into paper boxes, with each box containing a set number of bottles. The boxes are carefully wrapped in a polythene for protection. In the market, a single box of pineapple juice is valued above the $30. Now let's shift our focus to the packaging of pineapple chunk. Plastic boxes are arranged on the production line, and a weighing machine ensures each box contains a consistent amount of pineapple chunks. These boxes move through a packaging line where they are wrapped with the polythene for freshness and protection. The final products, neatly labeled with production and expiry date, weight, and the company information, are ready for the market distribution. Additionally, for those seeking the convenience of instant pineapple enjoyment, smaller packets of pineapple chunk are prepared in the similar fashion. These packets are assembled and redyed for market distribution. For those who prefer the whole fruit experience, let's explore how whole pineapple are prepared and marketed. pineapples are various size are sorted by machine, ensuring uniformity in each batch. Workers carefully place this pineapple into the packets, inspecting for any imperfection. Each packet typically contains 4 to 6 pineapples and is then sent to the production room for market distribution. And there you have it, the journey of pineapple from farm to factory to market. The pineapple juice, pineapple chunk and pineapple whole pineapples all processed in the factory, and the destined for your enjoyment in the market.